In this tutorial we're gonna be covering some basic things related to Inkscape, and what I wanted to cover is like if we look into this one, the rectangles. So one thing is like you're gonna have like you can have you can use this one, the create rectangle, or click R in order to select that. So if I have anything else selected, I press R, it's gonna automatically select rectangles for you, and you can just tell him the vertices, like where to start the rectangle and where to end it, and it's gonna make a rectangle over there. um, yeah, you can change the color by coming over here at the bottom and then select whichever color is there, and it's gonna change the color of that particular rectangle which is selected. So if I select this one, it's gonna start changing the color of that. And if I have two things selected, you can, in order to select multiple rectangles or multiple objects, what you would do is like you will press the shift key, and if you see, so in order to scroll in or scroll out, I press control and then the mouse key in order to go like zoom in or zoom out. So if I click this one and then I press shift, with that you can see this dotted line, like as a boundary. And this way, like by clicking the shift key, I can select multiple rectangles, and then you can change the color of multiple rectangles at the same time. Okay, if one is selected, right, and then you can do is, so one, if a rectangle is selected and you want to rotate it, you can come here at the bottom right, and then oops, this is gonna, I'm sorry, this feature actually rotates the whole screen. This would rotate the whole screen, and this zoom in and zoom out is gonna be like zooming in and out of the picture too. So once we have, if we want to do more things with the like a rotation related to rotation of the rectangle, what you would do is like you will, once it is selected, you can go to the selector tool, and then you can see this one. So you can move it to the right, and you can see the size over here is actually showing you that we are where our pointer is in the x and the y axis. So you can minimize it or you can enlarge it, and if you click it one more time, you can actually rotate it like this. Again, if you just want to move it, you would click it one more time, and then these signs are going to show up again. So they just toggle again and again. So one click is going to bring this one, and the other click is going to bring the one where you can actually rotate the image.